Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mint your Galxe score. First, navigate to the Galxe website and ensure you are logged in with your connected wallet. Your Galxe score is a dynamic representation of your on-chain activity and contributions within the ecosystem. Minting it solidifies this identity, making it visible and verifiable. This process is straightforward and crucial for participating in various Web3 opportunities. Let's get started. Before minting, you need to meet a few simple requirements. First, connect a supported Web3 wallet like MetaMask to your Galxe profile. This wallet will be used for the transaction. Second, ensure you have a small amount of cryptocurrency, typically BNB or Matic, to cover the network's gas fees. These fees are usually very low, often less than $1. Finally, your Galxe score is built through your engagement in various campaigns and quests on the platform. Once you've met the prerequisites, the minting process is quick. Head to your Galxe profile page and look for the dedicated Galxe score section. You'll see your current score displayed there. Click the Mint button, which will prompt your connected wallet to open. Review the transaction details, including the small gas fee, and then confirm it. The process usually completes within a few moments, depending on network congestion. Your unique Galxe score NFT will then be minted. Minting your Galxe score offers several advantages. It acts as a verifiable credential, showcasing your active participation and reputation across the Web3 space. A higher score can unlock access to exclusive campaigns, airdrops, and community benefits. It's a valuable asset for anyone serious about their decentralized identity. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This score is a testament to your commitment and engagement within the Galxe ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.